Where can you hear local music from bands like The Fugitives, Capgun Alliance, Belfast Six Pack, and Triumph Under Fire? Only on Tri-City Local Music Radio.
This is Justin Hageman,
Brandon Bain of Belfast Six Pack,
and you're listening to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
It's for you. Push you away as you lonely. Where can you hear national acts like Burn Halo, Trapped, Candlebox, Seasons After, mixed with some of the area's best local artists? Only on Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Looking for live music? Great atmosphere? Then the place to be is the 11E Sports Bar, 5580 Blue Springs Parkway, Greenville, Tennessee.
We're bent to break, and you're listening to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
You're listening to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Hey guys, this is Severance. You're listening to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
I've been looking for my next mistake in every other little chance I take. I've left my mark everywhere I've been. I think it's time for me to come back down. I think it's time for me to stand my ground. I don't know where I should begin. I hope it's not too late. Save me, 'cause I still believe there's something in me. Save me from this disease that's feeding on the better part of me. Save me. Is there a reason why I'm still here? Nobody ever seemed to make it clear. I've been waiting here for so damn long. I just need you to show me now if there was ever really any way out. I've been ticking like a time bomb. Every move I made was wrong.